guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves, and today I have the Fall For You project pan update. I have some progress to share with you, some not progress to share with you, but if you haven't heard of this project pan before, I will go ahead and link my introduction in the cards up above. It is a huge project pan collab, so check out everybody. The playlist is in that intro video if you're interested in seeing who all is doing this project, but you pick items that you love that you want to use during the time frame. Now, I believe this project ends November 15th, so you can jump in on it if you're wanting. If you do decide to jump in on this project pan, I'd recommend doing some easier goals, some like samples or deluxe product like size products, not full size, but you are definitely welcome to jump in on this project pan. So without further ado, let's get into the progress. Have I used anything up? Where are these products for this update? So the first product I'm going to share with you guys is an item I actually used up. I'm really excited about it. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream, and I loved using this. This was a really lightweight kind of gel moisturizer I would use day and nighttime. I would totally repurchase this. Highly recommend it. It's not cruelty free, however, so if you are on the cruelty free purchasing, this isn't it, so don't purchase this, but it is really nice. I really enjoyed it. Did moisturize my face. I think it would be good for me in the winter time too. We'll see. I definitely have more normal to dry skin, more on the normal side, but definitely a really good moisturizer, especially for spring, summertime, early fall. So check this out if you're interested. I'm really loving it. Happy I used up something in this project pan. Next item that actually went bad is the Stila Glitter and Glow and Into the Blue, and this just dried up. I tried to pull it out and use it a lot this month, and it just wasn't giving me the look I was wanting on my eyes. It was dry. Just, these things go bad pretty fast. So if you have these in your collection, be sure to pull them out and use them. I really love this, but it is a couple years old, a liquid eyeshadow, so it has gone bad on me and it's out of the project, but I tried, and that's all that matters. The next thing I was so close in using up, this is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. I was here at the intro, last update, and then here I'm like literally probably have one more use of this. I am wearing it on my face today. I love this. I've done a full demo review of it on my channel. I'll link it up above if you're interested. Just wish it had sunscreen. That's kind of my thing with tinted moisturizer, BB creams. I like when it has sunscreen. This one's really good. I should be able to finish it by the finale. The next thing, I should have marked it with a card, but this is the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Kiss. It's on my lips now. This has become a favorite of mine. I'm definitely on the hunt for other shades. I love this shade. I'm definitely going to repurchase it once I finish it. These last in your face mask, so I will apply this, wear a face mask, go out to dinner, take it off, and my lips don't look like a clown and crazy. So check these out if you're wanting a lip product that will last on your lips even with those cloth face masks. This has been doing a great job for me. I'm loving the creamy matte look of it. Doesn't have too much transfer. Yeah, let me know if you've tried this and have any shade recommendations for me. I've been so happy. Now, do I think I'm going to use this up by next update? Maybe. So let me know, do you think I'll be able to finish this lip pencil up? I will say I've been using this in a red lippy a lot during this past month, and hopefully continuing on since we are in the fall, winter, getting into winter months. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to use it. I might be able to finish it. What do you guys think? So the next thing is my favorite powder, and honestly, I used it a couple of times, but I haven't hardcore been working on it. One, it is a more luxury kind of product, more expensive. This is the Hourglass Ambient Light Powder in Dim Light. I love the way this looks. I love to use this when I'm actually like going out somewhere. So if I'm going on a date, going out with my girlfriends, doing something special, I like to apply this. Gives a really nice like glowy look to your skin without being like a highlighter or like sweaty, dewy, all that kind of stuff. It's just a really pretty powder that catches the light and just makes you look very luminous and beautiful. So I love this. I'm not too upset that this is how much is left because I love this product and I don't want to repurchase it anytime soon. This is like my second or third time repurchasing it, and you guys can see I've already hit pan in this, but I love this. Will always be repurchasing it. My everyday powder is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, and I use that everyday basis. Super affordable from the drugstore, but when I want to get dressed up, I definitely use my Hourglass one, and I'm obsessed. And then the next two products, surprisingly, have had barely any progress. I've hardly reached for it. I just forget about these products. It's the Delectable Hand Cream in Coconut and Cream, and I'm about at that line still for this product. I did apply it today. I applied it a couple times, but not enough to show you any progress. I do really like the Delectable hand creams. They are my favorite, but I just don't think about using hand cream until it's like past the point of no return and your hands are like really dry and bleeding and all that kind of stuff is when I think, oh, I should use a hand cream. But I mean, I think putting this in this project, kind of keeping it on my bathroom vanity, has reminded me to do it more. So cross your fingers my hands don't go down the path of no return. Will I finish this next update? Probably not, but I'll continue to try and make some kind of progress for you guys. And then the last thing is another kind of lotion product. This is the Human and Kind Body Souffle, and I'm pretty much still at that same update. I've used it about 2 times too, but same thing with that hand cream. If I'm not dry feeling, I don't do this on like a religious experience. I really like this body cream. It's lightweight, smells amazing, but I just don't in my head have it in my routine to put on lotion, and I really hoped this project pan was going to do that for me. I mean, I've used more than I thought I would, but it's definitely not a routine yet for me to put on hand cream and lotion. So maybe by next update I'll be able to update a little bit more on this product. Thank you guys so much for watching this update from me, the Fall For You project pan. Let me know if you're doing it as well. How are you guys doing on your products? Love to know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with me and other project pans, pan that palettes that I may be doing, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm